You are all cordially invited to return to Shib. Samsung has lately provided Shiba Inu with financial support. The price is going to skyrocket in the near future. One of the most well-known cryptocurrencies currently available is the subject of today's Shiba news announcement. Shiba Inu is the second most valuable coin, following Dogecoin in terms of its value. A covert production of Shiba Inu was carried out in August of 2020 under the name Roshi. Not long after it was introduced to the market, Shib swiftly gained popularity and became valued as an investment community. People were captivated to the coin because of its adorable and endearing appearance. Vitalik Buterin, who was one of the co-founders of Ethereum, contributed about $1 billion worth of Shiba Inus to an Indian COVID-19 relief fund. This contributed to Shiba Inu's increased levels of recognition. In the following video, we will discuss the new sponsorship that Samsung has provided for Shiba Inus. It is not long before the price will skyrocket to an all-time high. It's the Shiba news for today. Please click on this link to view our most recent articles concerning the forecasting of Shiba Inu prices and the analysis of subject matter experts. It would be greatly appreciated if you liked, shared, and subscribed to the video. Right, immediately, let's get started with the video. Shiba Eternity is the name of a card game that was manufactured by Shiba Inu and published earlier this month. There are a total of 1,000 Shoshi heroes and 500 collection cards available for players to select from within the game. There are more than 100 Android users that have downloaded Shiba Eternity, and the game has received a rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from more than 500 individuals. Shiba Inu has been seeing a downward trend in price ever since May of 2022. Although it did earn a few little gains here and there, those gains were not sufficient to make investors very well pleased. Rapid declines have been observed in Shiba Inu. On October 28, 2021, the value of Shib coins reached an all-time high of 0.1, which stands as their current value. Based on the data provided by CoinMarketCap, the price of Shib has dropped by 87.2% since reaching its all-time high of 126 cents. Having said that, the price of Shib has come down quite a little over the course of the past 4 months. The fact that it traded in the green for the most of the period from January 2022 until the end of April is an interesting fact to take into consideration. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency that was based on the concept of a dog, was considered to be the next big thing during the cryptocurrency boom that occurred in 2021. Due to the fact that it was inexpensive and there was a lot of debate over it, a lot of people were interested in purchasing this funny coin. On the other hand, as the instability of the global financial catastrophe that began in May 2022 expanded to cryptocurrency markets, it became obvious that Shib tokens were not as powerful as they appeared to be. Immediately following the crash of the Bitcoin market, investors in Shib began selling off their ownership equity. As a result, the value of the token experienced a significant decrease. The makers of Shiba Inus advertised Shib tokens as the Dogecoin killer, which appealed to individuals who were late to the Dogecoin game and missed out on the opportunity to make money with it. A number of other tokens, including Leash and Bone, as well as the shibaswap exchange and Shoshi's non-fungible tokens, have been utilized by the creators in an effort to create an ecosystem that revolves around the Shib coin. Those who are in possession of Shib tokens now have the ability to pay for items on Amazon and Netflix using any other coin that is part of the Shib ecosystem. Tickets for Shib, Bone, and Leash can also be paid for using the SCF Pay Visa card without any additional fees. Amazon and Netflix both accept this card as a payment method. Customers with crypto card can use it to pay for products on Amazon, and subscribed to a number of award-winning documentaries, television episodes, movies, and a name on Netflix, according to a recent announcement made by FCF Pay, a cryptocurrency payment gateway based in Canada. Additionally, FCF Pay made it very clear that the transaction will be completed as soon as the consumer possesses sufficient coin tokens to sufficiently cover the sums that they wish to pay. 3 months ago, SHIB, BOM, and Leash tokens were all able to be utilized as payment methods at FCF Pay. This has already been mentioned. After being listed, these 3 SHIB ecosystem coins began to be accepted as payment by more than 5 million online retailers located in 195 different countries throughout the world. Over the course of each day, Shib is gaining more and more notoriety, and significant online fundraising platform known as The Giving Back has formed a partnership with Baruna National Park, which is the form of donation coin as a form of donation. In the past, BitPay and SpaceX, a German company that was in the business of developing business applications, collaborated in order to make it possible for employees to get a portion of their pay in Shib tokens. BitPay and BlueSnap, a global payment service, have recently joined forces in order to enable BlueSnap to begin accepting payments conducted using Shib. A ranking of Shibu as the second safest cryptocurrency project was released earlier this week by the cryptocurrency security tool Certic. It was determined that Polygon was the most secure project. According to the information provided by etherscan.io, when that occurred, the 6th largest Shib whale made a single purchase of 9,674 billion Shib tokens immediately. Furthermore, the data demonstrated that this very prominent Shino whale has been purchasing a substantial quantity of Shib tokens over the course of the previous week, more than 322 billion Shib tokens, with a total value of about $31.09 million, were added to the wallet of the largest Shib investor through 9 separate transactions that took place between last Thursday and today. The whale made his largest buy of Shib tokens on Thursday, when he had the opportunity to purchase 1,300 Shib tokens for a total of 163 billion Shi. In a tweet, the well-known blockchain analytics organization known as WellStats noted that the top 500 Ethereum whales continue to have the most number of Shib coins. In spite of the positive news regarding Shiba Inus, the price of Shib has not increased throughout this time. The value of it has decreased by 7.43% compared to 7 days ago, and it has decreased by 2.48% compared to 1 month ago. Bitpanda, a cryptocurrency trading platform based in Austria, has finally introduced a trading pair for the Shiba Inu coin that is denominated in euros. One of the co-founders of PayPal, Peter Thiel, is a supporter of this platform. It was announced by the company on Thursday that the Shib/EUR pair is currently operating in post-only mode. On November 19th, it will be completely available for business transactions. It's already possible for Sigu owners to buy and sell euros on Binance, Coinbase, and Bitvavo. Shiba Inu fiat trade pairings have been added to the list of available trade pairings on Coinbase Pro, according to You Today. One of the first cryptocurrency exchanges to support the second largest meme coin, which is currently worth $4 billion, and many others are just beginning on time. This took place in the beginning of October, prior to the significant increase in the value of the cryptocurrency that occurred last month. In addition to cryptocurrencies, the company situated in Vienna gives its customers the opportunity to invest in other assets. Additionally, they have the ability to purchase exchange-traded funds, ETFs, valuable metals, and stocks. This week, Shiba Inu was added to both ColonGate, the payment provider, and Zeno, a keyless Bitcoin wallet. Both of these services came into existence. For the past day, the value of the funny coin has decreased by more than 8%, making it the largest alternative cryptocurrency that has lost the greatest value despite the fact that its utilization is increasing. Moreover, the price of Bitcoin has fallen below $59,000. There is still a great deal of pressure being applied to the entire Bitcoin market. During the Samsung Developer Conference that will take place this year, Samsung will demonstrate the Samsung Knox Matrix, which will make all of the company's products more secure. A security solution that will be called the Samsung Knox Matrix will be developed by the largest smartphone manufacturer, Samsung, using blockchain technology, according to the company's announcement. The most important government agencies all over the world make use of this security platform, which is capable of providing safety of a defense-grade standard. Samsung is of the opinion that hackers are able to access our data whenever we link it to the internet, regardless of how significantly the environment of computers and other electronic devices has altered our lives. The Samsung Knox Matrix product will serve as the user's private blockchain in order to resolve this issue. It is compatible with all Samsung electronic devices, including televisions, air conditioners, and mobile phones. A solitary software development kit will be made available by the platform in order to guarantee that the safety feature will function flawlessly on all Samsung devices regardless of the operating system that they are using. Following the fact that Samsung has not disclosed any additional information regarding the operation of the blockchain-based security mechanisms, the community ought to keep a close check on the situation. In addition, they consider the ways in which other manufacturers of smartphones will implement blockchain technology. Due to the fact that the value of the popular meme continues to decrease throughout the month of October, Shibu has become a digital asset that is tough to hold. There is a lack of indications that the current economic downturn will soon come to an end. It appears that the bulls have abandoned their support from the level of 0.00100 during the